because of media,
One by one, you can ask one by one.
because of media, Ram Rahim, the true of Ram Rahim comes in front of people because of media.
It's not media, it's Supreme Court.
What?
That's all.
Firstly, media didn't give a
Media information because
So
of
what's the work of media?
Yes, to give the information.
but it's not right information.
So, that is not right.
Right information, not the correct
Supreme
information.
Court gives the punishment to Ram Rahim, but if there is no media, so you will go to Supreme Court
But
and
right now Ram Rahim is on parole. What about this?
and get.
If Ram Rahim is really guilty, then why is parole? Why is so-called that BT? I don't know.
Media is just lying behind the celebrities. What they are doing, what they are eating, what they are having.
Supreme Court.
Because they want TRPs, they want salt and pepper news.
They are not
That's why
raising.
they are showing some very bad news.
And if
No,
you-
media always say
if you-
he was talking about media doesn't say the real news of government.
If you
Never
take
take-
example, if you take
have you
example
seen
of
many
one
news-
case,
How many,
many-
listen,
many-
how many people are unemployed in India?
Many people are
Many people are
yes,
unemployed. How many news channels are raising the questions to the government?
many news channels.
Tell me one news channel and one reporter who has raised the question to the government that they are unemployed.
One person belonged to
Right.
Bihar. He was.
That is not
Why
that is not
not
belongs to any news channels, brother.
Why?
That is not belonging. Why?
Why?
That is their responsibility. That is the responsibility.
Not a
Why?
part of media.
So tell me if there is no media, what will you do?
What are the famous news channels? You can talk about Aaj Tak, you can talk about News Nations, you can talk about G News. They are showing the.
Yes, they are showing.
No, they are
because
not
of-
showing.
I have seen Olympic Wires on that.
They are not
news.
showing.
I have seen.
40% of their time is going to the celebrities,
Do you have a
news
patience
and
to
all.
understand someone?
They are just lagging behind the celebrities, what they are eating, what they are having all the
Do you
days.
have patience to
Why?
understand other people?
They are not showing the
That is
lifestyle of the
another
poor
thing.
people.
Don't-
They are not
don't
showing the
speak
lifestyle of the
loudly.
common
Don't
reality.
speak
They are
loudly.
showing the lifestyle of
That
the
is
famous
not
person.
true.
Why? They are only biased. That's the
Okay.
question.
Can we speak?
1 lakh people sit in exam, but very few will pass the exams. And what happened after that? They have promised that I will give that kind of jobs to you. They have asked the questions to the government. No,
Yes.
not at all.
Many
So,
person
why
ask.
don't
They were
people-
asked.
Not asking.
Many person ask.
Okay,
Yes.
so you
And
know.
this times every child have
So
a
you know all the
right
things.
to ask.
Go
Many
and-
people are
go and-
asking to the.
Go and take
We are asking to you that you are sitting in the power.
Go
We
and-
are expecting you from the
Go
real
and
news.
raise
Why
one
you are telling me
your-
that it's your duty?
We are
If I need to identify
You
what
say-
is the good news, what is the bad news, why you are there?
We are
for?
saying real news.
You are bringing no good news. So go and raise voice against the government.
What is your work then? If I need to show,
Our work
if I
is-
need to prove,
our
if I
work
need
is
to search
for
for
you.
the news, what is your role actually?
It's not our work to rectify the news, it's media work to rectify the
It
news.
is your
Media
your
is working
work.
that means
because of this many cases media
So
comes
give
in
me
front
my
of you.
views on answer.
And if I talk about
So give me my
Lucas Banal,
answer.
because of media it comes in front of you. We
No,
know
brother.
very well.
Only
You cannot
see,
or
listen,
others can't
listen.
speak
Are
very
you-
well because of media. From where we know, because of media we know.
Everyone know
See,
everything-
what is the role of media.
So because of media, because of media we know or not.
I want to tell you, but
Because of media we know. We
they
know or
simply
not.
put the mic on the mother face, and they simply ask, what are you feeling? Is it the correct time to ask a mother that
They are just asking for the
girl
news.
is raped and they are asking what is your feelings right now? Everyone is no. But don't you think that this is some break hearting?
So
It is
There are
it is
many
bad-
topics.
It is bad to
There
ask
are-
question.
there are many
You want
topics.
real news. After that, you want these are not questions
We
to
know
ask
that
someone.
news before media.
You want real news.
Media
After that,
came
you are
to
saying
say,
these
see,
these are not real questions.
Sir, there are many topics to talk.
Yes.
Economy is to talk.
Yeah.
Definitely unemployment is to talk.
Yeah.
Sensex is to talk. But how many news channels are showing these kind of topics? That's the
Many,
question.
many news channels are.
Tell me one news channel they are showing. They are not
Ask
showing.
Asta.
You will always see a person is supporting the government. They are showing the achievements of the government, but they are not showing
But
the
if
dark
they
sides of the
are they
government.
showing-
No, they
They are not showing the dark sides of the government.
They are showing, but the time period is very less.
Yeah.
That's what we
If
are
they will
saying.
run 200 news, only 1 and 2 and hardly 10 news will be there against. And all will be, and if they are showing 200 news, from where they have got that kind of news? Every day, every morning.
Yeah.
Is it easy to find out the 200 news every day?
So
it is not. It has
do
been
you know
created.
how many people are
It has
working in
been
media?
created.
Do you know how
Yes.
many people are working in media?
So that's your, how many people miss 200
So,
news is not easy. They
why
will
they
show
are
a
not
single
easy?
news 10 times.
This is not
They will
easy.
show a
It is
single
not
news
easy.
10 times.
You cannot.
A single news run on whole the days.
There is nothing impossible.
If something happens in a
There is nothing
sector,
impossible
if
in
something
this world.
happens in a sector, they will show that news in a whole day.
Okay.
What about others?
They-
But you
And
But
they
they are
will only
showing
go
every
behind
news,
who is in a
every
public
news.
figure. Not for the common people. If something happens to the common people, they will not go and they will not talk. They will not
They are-
cover.
they are- they will not
They
go.
will not cover.
They will cover. Because of this, it is happening.
But you didn't answer my question. If there is no media, then what will you do?
See, we are not talking about media should be there or not. We are talking about
Yeah.
media is there. They are not working properly.
I
I'm
am
just
working
asking a
properly.
question. Give it
There is
answer.
a media.
I'm
They are
just
not working
asking a-
properly.
I'm just asking a question. Give it answer.
But that's not logical. So I will not answer. Is that logical? If no
Okay.
media will be there, we have hired the media. We have putting you in that situation. So you should prefer the good news or not.
Okay.
So media.
No comment will be there. How will you survive? That's not the
Media is
question.
preferring.
So you know
Have it
North
in front
Korea,
of you.
North Korea press or China's press are how working?
Oh, because of media we know India did not help
China's-
Russia. Because
China's
of media we
president-
know.
But that is real. That's
But
the question.
so-
That is
so
real or not?
government- So media is
This
showing
is the-
real
this
news.
is
Media is
You
showing
cannot say they are
when-
saying only fake news. You cannot say.
When a reel got
You are saying
viral,
only.
they will show in the news. Why?
They are
When a
showing-
reel got viral, they will show in the news.
So
So it is bad.
check out what does China press do and what
It
does
is
North
not
Korea.
bad, but you should show the concerned topic. That's
Yes,
the
they are
question.
showing.
You are not
Yes,
showing
they
the
are
concerned
showing.
topic.
They are showing everything.
They are
But how many topics they raise for the common people? That's the question.
They many.
When you will open the news
many-
channels,
many-
you will only see either daily soaps topics will be there, either about some celebrities,
They always.
either
they
about
are-
some
they
public
are-
figures.
They
will be
have
there.
raised unemployment and so many.
They are not raising the question.
Poverty.
If they will
They
raise
are-
the
they
question,
have been raised.
then we
They
got the
have been
solution. We are not getting the solution.
We are getting.
Just by saying we are getting it will not happen. We are not getting, even many people are unemployed now. So why they are unemployed? That's the question. Have you asked to the government? We have no right to ask the government, but you are around the government, so you should ask. And you are just lagging behind the government and what they are doing every day.
So I'm asking you simple.
Narendra Modi has got to now Daman for the rallies. All media has been there to cover that situation. If something happens at your home, if something happens to your
All
locality,
media-
no will come.
all media-
No one will come there.
Media will
to
come.
cover.
Many media is running.
All media
Everybody is
All-
going to the Modi's rally
How you can
nowadays.
say?
all media is
Oh
good.
brother,
All
you
media
just
has
open the
gone.
news
All
channel.
media has
You
gone.
just open the news channel.
All
You will
media
find
has
out.
gone. Yes, I have opened.
Have you checked what is the press system of China and North Korea?
Why I need to check the China? They are far better. They have far better news channels than us.
Far better.
Yeah, definitely.
They are-
They are not showing
they
the
are-
daily soaps. They are not showing the celebrities'
They are just
lifestyles every day.
Their president.
If something happens to some celebrities, they will show it. They will telecast it every day.
They are
Why?
just manipulating.
But
They are just manipulated by.
we are still in a phase of developing country because media is a fourth pillar of
Yeah.
democracy for every country. You are taking up example of China because China has already developed a country because of media. If I
China is a developed country, still it has. Then it is manipulated by its president.
Tell me who is showing poverty, who is showing unemployment.
No one is showing.
Media
No,
is showing.
no one is showing
Media
poverty.
How do you know?
No
How
one
do
is
you know?
showing
How do you
poverty.
know?
How we know that
How can you
poverty
know?
was
Yeah.
No one is showing poverty.
Media is
How many
showing.
news
Media
channels
is
are
showing.
showing poverty as well?
In Corona period, media did very well. Media did very well.
Media is showing
In
poverty.
Corona,
And you
in
can
Corona
tell me what is the
time.
poverty rate of India.
In
If
Corona
media
time.
is showing poverty, then what is the poverty rate of India? You can tell me.
So
it is.
how do you get to know
You
that
also
we are
said
in
that,
poverty?
yes.
How did you get to know we are in poverty?
This debate.
Look, I want to tell you something. Just please listen calmly. Before I think a few years back, a person, a driver, raped a girl of that girl and that both drivers belong to a Delhi some I don't remember that school. So that girl was at that time she is in the hospital. She was in hospital. So from just like we all are sitting in this room, from my words, you simply rectify that yes, that driver raped that girl. But after some